What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you saw the title of this video, China is trying to ban cryptocurrency mining. I just want to clear a couple of things up and talk about it a little bit. I have this article up because it does touch a couple of things, but they're now expanding it to more of the provinces or territories, within China where they're banning mining completely. So this does not just include Bitcoin, as I said, but includes all cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Raven coin, any coin you can think about, even Chia, which use your SSDs and hard drive to mine. They're trying to ban with it. What they said is they're trying to prevent money being taken out of the country, and also they said about for economical reason, because all this takes a lot of power, which I think is BS, but they're just using excuses to do this now. To cover this article, it is expanding to a couple other provinces, so it's going bigger and bigger within China where they're banning it. I'm sure you guys saw a lot of videos where you see Chinese miners shutting all their ASIC, all the graphics cards that they use for mining and stuff like that. There's a couple of videos that came out. I think this all has to do with China putting out its own digital currency. So they're finally cracking down on cryptocurrency miners and cryptocurrency use in their country. Now, what we've seen also is a lot of these big mining farms are moving their stuff out of country. I heard Kazakhstan, I think I heard Israel or Iran. I also heard a lot of people in the US and Canada are buying ASIC miners and also graphics cards on the large and coming over here. We also know US Texas has they're big into solar power. I know they had some troubles earlier this year or last year, but it's very cheap electrical. I think it's like 5 cents if I'm not wrong. So they're moving all their stuff. So now, how does this affect us? Now, it didn't affect Bitcoin at all. As we can look at the price, it's 35,000 or just around. It went up. But this is what I want to talk about as well. So Bitcoin hash rate is now down to 104 exahash. I think height was 190. Let me put it here. 191. So it hasn't been this low since I believe December of 2019. Here it is, 104. So what this means for us when hash rate goes down, I don't know if you guys are mining Bitcoin. If you are, then you probably know more than me. But if you're not and you're trying to get into it, that means the difficulty of mining Bitcoin is coming down. Less and less people are mining it. That means possibly you're going to get bigger returns for mining Bitcoin, which is great. And Bitcoin price hasn't gone down, it actually went up a couple of thousand. So you're making more of Bitcoin and obviously getting more in fiat as well. So now I don't think this is gonna be for long, because they're moving most of their miners out of the country from what I read, and they're gonna be powering them up probably in a couple of weeks, and you're gonna slowly see this hash rate go up and up and up. And if we go to 1 week, you can see it's already slowly coming up. It was as low as 90 exahash. So it's slowly going up. So if you have anything to mine Bitcoin, it's not advice in any way, but if you have anything to mine Bitcoin, or you're thinking about it, or it's just sitting around, basically, if it was me, I would mine it, because this hash rate and difficulty will go up once they start moving the farms, or maybe the government will let them mine again, because I heard they're exporting, like I said, to a lot of countries. So this is our chance, or at least mine, to get more Bitcoin as well. But this hasn't just affected Bitcoin, since it is affecting Ethereum as well. Ethereum is down to 541 terahash. It did drop a lot more, but I think the highest for Ethereum was 679 terahash, which was June 7, 2021. And then now it dropped down to 541. So it dropped down 120, 130 terahash as well. That's why, as you guys see a lot of videos pop up, and I will make one as well, that our actual earnings are more and more for Ethereum. They're mining it, so we're getting more Ethereum to mining it, because the hash rate has gone down and difficulty has gone down for those as well. That's basically what I want to cover, is Bitcoin price and how this affects us right now. Obviously, with hash rate and difficulty going down, we're making more of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Raven coin, whatever it is that those people mine. Now everything's gone down, and now we're getting more from it. Alright guys, that's it for this article. I hope you learned something, as I did as well. If you like my channel, please hit the like, subscribe. As always guys, how we ended, have a wonderful day.